I have had a lot of questions about the process for individualized spelling, and although I've spent some time in class explaining it to students, there still seems to be some confusion. So I thought I would take a few minutes to explain to you how individualized spelling works. Every student has a document similar to this in their binder. This document needs to stay in the binder in school. As teachers read student work, we note, either on sticky notes or directly on this list, words that they are spelling incorrectly in their writing. They are trying to use these words in their written expression, but they are unable to successfully spell them. These become the student's individualized spelling list. So, when does a student take their test? Well, that will be different for every student. As teachers add words to the list, for example, probably, they fill the box of spelling words. Every Monday, on weeks where we have 5 school days, and this is to ensure that students will have an adequate amount of time to study, students will look at their individualized spelling list, word list, and they will transfer these words into their planner. There is a space next to the Monday spot to the left of it where students can enter spelling words. Now, if you see this document come home, please send it back to school. It is really important that this stays in school because this is what I use when I am correcting the test. So, say for example, your child comes home on a Monday and there are 15 words in the planner. Please take a moment on that Monday to read through the words to make sure, number one, your child has spelled them correctly and transferred them correctly to the planner. 2, I have not misspelled them myself because oftentimes I will copy the word incorrectly and make a mistake. So please check me as well. And also make sure that I have not given your child the same word twice. It's really easy for that to happen since there are 3 teachers who are adding words to the list. So say, for example, your child has 15 words in their planner. You help them to study all week to prepare for their spelling test. So what happens on that day? Well, on that day, students will take this master spelling list out of their binder. They will prepare a piece of loose leaf paper to take their test. And then students who are taking tests will give each other the test. Now, basically, the first student who is going to deliver a test reads the words in order. Now, the student may use the word in a sentence to help to clarify between homophones or to help a student who might be confused. And if they can't read the word or the student is still confused, they raise their hand and I come over to see if I can answer their questions. I really try hard to make sure that these tests are corrected before students leave for the day so that I can clarify any confusion if I think that perhaps the word was not read correctly or if perhaps the child was not given a correct sentence in which the word was used correctly. After the first student gives the test to their partner, they hand me the master spelling list and they take their test. When both students are done, the tests are placed in the basket. I do all of the correcting for the tests. I hope this helps answer any questions and clear up any confusion that you may have about our individualized spelling process. Please let me know if you continue to have questions. Thank you.